Okay, so as you may know, our well collapsed. That was our only supply of running water. So since then, which was early mid-December, we have been without running water. And in the meantime, what we've been doing, because we can't get the new well dug till it thaws out a bit, because there's all this snow, and can't dig. It freezes up the machinery. It would take a lot longer and end up costing us more. So we're just going to wait till the snow melts off. And in the meantime, for bath water, dishwater, hand washing, laundry, all those just non-potable uses of water, we've been melting snow. So we haul it in big totes or buckets. And if we can, we leave it to sit and thaw passively overnight and use it the next day. But if we need it now, we fill up these two big vats here and melt it down here on the stove. And then we siphon it out with our wonderful handy siphon here. Take it out of the pots or out of the bucket where it melted and into our large carboys here, which we store it in until we use it. And then all of our various uses and how we're trying to be as economical as possible with it, we'll show you in another video. If you're interested in knowing more about how the well collapsed and kind of the chaos of it, check the blog. There's a link in the description. Here we go. Let's melt snow. Snow.